Alright, this is Kalani. Okay, here we go. This is Spirits of the Forest. Get in there. Boom, boom, boom.
Is there a rabbit inside?
Yes. Okay, a lot of people don't know this. This is the game group. I just wanted to show you guys. Get a reaction out of you guys.
Yeah, I like the artwork.
So chubby.
Wow. It's a beautiful artwork.
See, yeah? Very colorful.
Oh my god, look over here. It's so cute.
Okay, open this. This is a slip case. Open that up.
Da, 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 da.
Slowly.
Oh, it opens that way.
Put that down.
Oh, I like the cover.
Forest. How do you open this?
It's
Oh my god, look at
magnetic.
the bag. It's adorable.
Oh.
She likes this.
Look, it's so chubby.
Open this up.
Oh, look at that rabbit.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, there we go.
Wow, look at the forest.
This is your rule book.
Nice.
It's nice. It comes with an expansion area. It's inside. Part of the Kickstarter. Okay. You guys have no idea what I'm showing you guys. Okay. But cool, check this out. You play on these. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, they're plastic chips. Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're thick, so I figure you guys are going to enjoy that.
Look at that. The colors are associated with different team or
Yeah, it's a little different spirits of the forest, so you can have all these different
Oh, I
things.
can picture people slamming this down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that sound. I knew that already.
That's my stuff.
This is part of the expansion, but these tokens, see how nice they
Okay,
color.
I put this away so I can show other stuff or should
These are some of the cards. I just give you guys. These are dragonflies. Look at that.
Wait, I want to see the dragonfly.
Oh,
The
I need to
silver
open it
dragonfly.
up.
They're part of the expansion. They come with the certain cards, like these cards, which is the same as this.
I really like the feel
Oh,
of
look
this.
at that. They're very pretty.
Yeah, this is a deluxe version. You only get them.
Even comes with a baby pencil.
There's more. And these are the eggs. So your whatever player you are, you get to use these. Oh, they look like little eggs. They're the elements of water, earth, air,
Yeah,
fire.
you can see little mountains and then little
Oh, you can
Yeah.
see this. Look at that.
fire.
Look at those. What are these?
Oh, the wind.
They're tokens.
Yeah, that's part of the season
so pretty.
expansion.
I like the flowers.
That is very pretty. And it's 3D, yeah, almost.
And part of the Kickstarter, the early bird, I guess, you got
Oh,
that.
you got special eggs.
So I got different
Look at
colors.
that. Carved. So
Oh, they all
pretty.
are cards, but
The ether or something. I think it was
this is the four elements.
Is it heavier than these?
Maybe it's like
No.
magic or something.
Same.
I don't know.
But this is water.
fire.
This is
Fire,
fire, wind,
Earth.
and earth.
Mysterious wing.
And every Thunder Grip, you always get that coin.
Oh, let's see the coin. Let's get it
I
out.
guess you can use it as a first person fool.
Oh,
Nice. What is that? What animal is that? Is that a
rabbit.
Hey, that's so cool.
It's a rabbit.
It's a real
It's
rabbit.
that spiritual rabbit with the deer on the cover.
Okay, sorry, I have to see what is this.
That's the tokens.
Oh, they're plastic too. That's really cool. It makes sound.
It's a
Good quality, yeah.
Yeah, they.
We're just hitting everything.
And what are they? What are they?
Sounds with these.
What do they do? Oh, they're
spirit tokens.
they are like this, yeah. They're all spirits.
You guys having more fun with the parts than actually the game.
Yeah,
We don't know the game. We're just opening them.
No, but to us, the parts make a big difference on the game.
Well, trust me.
It does.
Because I guess the retail version, there's only little crystals, and then
Yeah.
this makes a difference because it pops out, so you're gonna see where you put your
I
stuff.
like stuff that makes sound and solid and 3D.
So what you
You know
guys
what
think
last-
of their first impression of just the components?
I want to play.
It looks fun.
And cute.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
does look fun.
it's so pretty. It's
And I
just
really
so
like
pretty.
this coin. It looks so magical and awesome.
I'm waiting to slam
And
these
I
on the table.
love, yeah, to play
I know, it's so
mahjong.
satisfying.
Wow.
Like in your
Having like
face.
much fun with it.
This is
Okay, that's the
mine.
first thing I know. I'm thinking the regular retail is the cardboard, so.
And we feel like we're playing mahjong. Yeah.
Yeah, I have that feel, the texture.
Okay,
oh.
everybody, that was
And beautiful color, beautiful artwork.
Spirits of the Forest. Anything else? Want to say anything else?
On the play.
Okay. Thank you.